In this video lecture, I will be explain how we can assign the mat foundation in our tile structure. This is my problem assessment which I have been completed in my previous video. This is 23-story tile building and having the dead load, live load and wind loads. Open your model in ETAP software and go to Model Explorer. Then go to Tables, Analysis and then go to Results. And here we can find out the frame results, column forces and figure out the column names, dimensions, dead load, live loads and material in story 1. There is each and every details which we required in our design. I have listed the values of dead load and live loads in different columns. In my buildings, there is a 2 dimensions columns, that is 500 by 500 and 600 by 600. In my model, there is a length and width of 6 meter, 6 meter, 6 meters and here is also. So I have to design the square mat foundation for my model. For corners column, we have to extend our mat foundation 2 meters in each side. Let us assume the safe bearing capacity of soil is 300 kg per meter square and allowable settlement is 1 centimeter. Calculate the column strip widths by using 0.25 L1 or L2, whichever is less. In my model, L1 and L2 is 18. So strip width 4.5 meter. Let us take a 4 meter. Open your safe software and go to File menu. Then open New Model. Select Design Code as IS 456-2000 and current units as metric. Design preference, minimum slab cover. According to our IS code, the minimum slab cover is 50 mm. So enter 50 mm. Then click on OK. Here is a preferred bar size. Let us take a bar size of 28 mm. Then click on OK. Click on grid only option and enter the X direction as 19, Y direction is 19 for 18 grids. Each grid spacing of 1 meter. Then click on OK. Here is my grid. Then go to Define option and define materials. Add new materials. Take material M50, M40. Let's take a M40 and enter the values. Similarly, define the rebars. Rebar of HYHD 500 grade and enter the values. After defining the materials, define slab properties. Give as name mat footing. Select concrete grade M40 and type as mat and give its thickness to 1200. Then click on OK. Again click on OK. Then go to define option again and define the soil subgrade properties. Modify the soil properties and here is the subgrade modulus is 3E plus 0.4. Click on OK, then again click on OK. Then go to draw option and select draw slab area option. Select property property as mat footing and draw your boundaries. Enter escape. I have to extend my slab area. For select slab, then go to edit areas and extend areas. For extending 2 meter, we have to enter the 2000 mm. Here is my area is extended. Then go to define option and define the column properties. That is 500 by 500 and 600 by 600. Select material as M40. We have to define only 2 columns. After successfully define the column properties, go to draw option, select draw column option and select your column. Place the column according to your model. Then go to draw design strips. Enter width as 4 meter. After drawing the design strips, assign the materials to strips. Rebar material as HYHD 500. Similarly, define the all materials. Then select your columns and apply the loads according to your model. Here is the dead load and live loads in each and every columns. So apply according to your model. For that, select your column and go to assign load data, point loads and here dead load. Then apply the dead load of 1 at 50 kN. Then click on OK. Again select your point and assign the live loads to the structure. Select live load and enter the live load value, that is 797.6 kN in that column. Similarly, assign the all dead load and live loads in each and every columns. After assigning the loads, run analysis. After run analysis part, go to display option and check here the show punching shear design. Here is the each and every value of the punching shear is less than 1, so our design is safe. For more detailing, go to detail option and detail preference. Then click on OK. Here is a 3D view of our structure. Go to run detailing option and click on OK. Here is the detailed view of our mat foundation. We can see the different parameters related to our structures. Here is the rebar table. We can see our rebar plan. In this section plan, my column is underneath the ground level. We can change also in 0 level above the mat foundation. So here is each and every details related to my structure. That's it. Thank you.